In this video, we are going to perform simple solutions on how to fix 0x80d02017. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to navigate to the control panel window. So at the search box, please type for panel. Once you have typed it, kindly wait until you can see a best match, which is the control panel. And from that, you need to navigate to the right side and click on open to proceed. First, you need to change the view like this. Navigate to the view by click on this down arrow key, select for large icons. Okay? Once done, you need to proceed to the network and sharing center, click on it. Another network and sharing center, you can see connections, click on that. And then navigate to the properties. And under the Wi-Fi properties, you need to uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6. So scroll down, find for it, uncheck it, click on apply or click on OK. Once done, close the window and try to check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to clear for Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together so that you can open this small window called Run. Here, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. Once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? However, if the errors still persists, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to sign out and sign in after you have signed out your Microsoft Store account. So sign out first your Microsoft account. Once done, try to sign it in again and check if the error has been resolved, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.